G'day, Mike from Aussie Mike's Bees, where beekeeping is an obsession. Now I'm at this building doing a cutout. I've got to have this boom here to work on a colony that's right up the top there. Let's see. There, you can see where I've been pulling bricks out, and I'm not even finished yet. So I started yesterday. It took all day just to take those bricks out. And I've stacked up them there. And I've still got quite a few more to go. So that's 50 bricks that I pulled out yesterday with my trusty Arbortech brick saw, and vacuuming the dust in to this little arrangement with a separator there so I don't kill my vacuum cleaner. I've still got maybe another 50 bricks to go, so she's still a big effort yet. So this is it close up, full of comb. The brood in behind that vent, and I think it goes down under the vent. All to the right is honey stores, all to the left is honey stores. For now I've got to remove another 50 or 60 bricks to fully expose it before I can harvest or collect them. So I'll get into it. I won't film it because it's just too hard to do that from up here. She's a fair distance down. Here we go. All the bricks pulled out, showing all the comb. Most of the brood up around that vent in the middle, and going below it you can see the darker colour of the wax honey to the sides and down the bottom. Now the bricks are out, I can start cutting this lot out. Partway through the cutout now, I've just gone around cutting out all the empty wax and the honeycomb. You can see all the bees clustering around the brood nest. And that'll be the last thing I do. I just want to get all the honey first in the comb, and then I'll get the back out and start vacuuming.